Hello po. Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ah, I just want to share a good experience that happened to me. Hindi po ito paid advertisement ni GCash. Kasi ito po ay personal ko pong naranasan. Now, I think Tuesday this week, I had a problem. Nasa vet ako. I was trying to pay and transfer yung a certain amount from my GCash account going to the vet's account. It took me an hour. So, isang oras hindi ko mai-transfer yung pera. I don't know what's happening with GCash. It gave me a lot of error na wala raw akong load. I don't have any internet or what. So I checked with my Globe One account. I still have like 5 gigabytes. Ano nangyari? So hindi ko mabayaran yung vet. Hindi kami makauwi. Luckily, malapit na 7-Eleven and may ATM. And I was lucky enough to have this. This is a GCash card. So I ordered this, I think last year. Yeah, last year. I had this card. It's actually a debit card. Kung may laman ng GCash mo, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa groceries, sa restaurants. Swipe mo lang and you can pay. So, ito ang nag-save sa akin. Ito. Then, I had problems again with GCash. Nung tanghali, I had a customer, sinendan ako ng pambili ng pyesa. Now, nung binili ko yung pyesa, I'm having problems transferring na naman nung amount dun sa binibilihan ko. So sabi ko, ano to? Paano gagawin ko? So, what I did is, takbo ka sa bangko. Withdraw ka uli using your GCash card. It's a Visa card eh. So, nung withdraw ko, I withdraw the certain amount. Magkano lang ang charge? Parang 18 pesos. Oh. Na-withdraw ko, nabayaran ko kung ano yung kailangan kong bayaran with the card. So, I highly recommend na we all should have a GCash card. Kasi, yun na nga eh. Nagka-problema ako with transferring from I have my own bank. Eh, paano kung yung GCash ang mismong may problema, hindi mo mai-transfer sa sarili mong account? Diba problema? Now, if you have this card, kung ano yung laman ng GCash mo, mawi-withdraw mo any amount with an 18 pesos charge. Diba? Laking convenience. So, by the way, this is not a paid video with GCash. I'm just sharing a good experience with GCash. So, yun po. Kung wala ako nito, last week, paralyzed ako. I often use GCash. I already like sent them email. Kasi kailangan ko eh. I sent them emails, I called them sa customer service. Then, what happened on the second day, nung nagkakaproblema nga, I uninstalled my GCash account. Now, puro tanghali ko ina-uninstall. Then, nung gabi, in-install ko, Then yun, I was able to log in again. I reinstated my GCash account. So, sa lahat po ng GCash users, I highly recommend na magkaroon po ng GCash card. It's very convenient. Sa halagang 300 pesos, ba't ka pa manghihinayang, di ba? Na ang laking convenience ng ibibigay sa'yo ng card na to. So, again, I am repeating, hindi po ko binayaran ni GCash to create this video. I am just sharing you an experience that happened to me. Now, ayoko rin pong ma-hassle kayo. Lalo na yung mga GCash users. Siyempre, let's say, malaki yung pera mo sa GCash. Then, hindi mo ma-access. Paano yun? Eh, kung meron ka nito, just walk into any ATM shop or any bank. Actually, si Veterans Bank is offering only like 15 pesos charge. Diba? Ang laking convenience. So, hopefully, GCash, baka naman. Baka naman. I am promoting your card because it gave me convenience. So, yun lang po. At magandang araw, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Don't forget, nasa GCash nyo lang po yan. Order your own card. Peace out. Magandang gabi po.